In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box in Google Sheets, a simple process that can help enhance the presentation of your data by offering clear annotations or additional content directly on your spreadsheet. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open your Google Sheets document where you need to add the text box. This can be a new or existing file, depending on your needs. Once you're in the document, look at the top menu and find the Insert option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Drawing. This will open up a new drawing panel for you to work in. The Drawing tool in Google Sheets is where you'll create your text box. In the drawing interface, you'll see a toolbar at the top with different options. What you want to do here is locate the text box icon, which looks like a square with a T inside it. Click on that icon, then click and drag anywhere on the drawing canvas to create your text box. You can adjust the size by clicking and dragging the corners or sides of the text box until it meets your size requirements. Now that you have your text box, you can type the desired text inside it. This could be a note, a label, or any additional data you'd like to highlight on your sheet. Once you've finished typing your text, take a moment to format it to your liking. You might consider changing the font style, size, or color, which you can do using the options in the Drawing Panel toolbar. This customization will help your text stand out and suit the overall theme of your spreadsheet. With your text looking just right, it's time to insert the drawing into your Google Sheets document. Look for the Save and Close button in the top right corner of the drawing panel and click it. Your newly created text box will appear on the spreadsheet. You can move it around by clicking and dragging, and if needed, resize it to better fit within the sheet's layout. Remember, this text box can also be edited later by double-clicking on it, which will reopen the drawing tool for further modifications. Lastly, if you realize you need multiple text boxes, just repeat the process for each one. Navigate back to the Insert menu, go through the steps again, and you'll have all the text annotations you need. This method not only adds clarity, but can also make the data more engaging and easier to understand. And there you have it, a simple method for inserting text boxes in Google Sheets, which can be a great way to organize and emphasize important information. Hopefully, this has been helpful, and you're now ready to enhance your spreadsheets with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing.